Breaking news now at 4, Southern California shakes in a magnitude 4.9 earthquake. Good afternoon, this is the KTLA 5 News at 4. I'm Samantha Cortese.
And I'm Lauren Lister. The earthquake hit at 1 p.m. this afternoon and was felt from Los Angeles all the way to Las Vegas.
Nothing shook here in the studio, though. I know you were on air for that.
Yeah, did not feel it here.
No, but USGS says the epicenter of the quake was roughly 13 miles northeast of Barstow in San Bernardino County. Several other quakes were recorded, 3.5, 2.7. KTLA's Shelby Nelson joins us now from UC Riverside with more on today's quake. Hi, Shelby.
Hi, Sam and Lauren. Yeah, as you both said, preliminary reports were coming out right when it happened. I know X was abuzz with a lot of people saying where they felt it. And a professor who we're going to be speaking to in just a second says that he felt it here in Riverside. So it was pretty widespread. But take a look at this map that we've created for you to kind of give you an idea of the epicenter of this quake that happened earlier today. The U.S. Geological Survey says that it happened at around 1 p.m., roughly 13 miles northeast of Barstow in San Bernardino County. It was first recorded as a 5.1 magnitude, but quickly downgraded from that. Scientists say that they looked at earthquakes with a magnitude 4 or greater within about a 6-mile difference from where this happened. Here's what they found.
Historically, we've had 22 such events, so that's since 1932. The largest historic event we have in our catalog was a magnitude 5.3 in 1997.
All right, again, a 4.9 magnitude earthquake, and we're hearing from experts that this happened possibly on the Calico Fault, which crosses through the Mojave Desert in San Bernardino County. That's the very latest from Riverside. I'm Shelby Nelson, KTLA 5 News.